First, prepare the rice. Put 100 grams of chopped onion into a pot. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 5 grams of salt. Add some black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to change the color of the rice. Add 500 grams of rinsed rice. Add 500 milliliters of cooked meat juice to the pot. Cook the rice. Second, frying the vegetables. Start by frying the ingredients one by one. Fry sliced peeled potatoes. Lightly fry the sliced eggplants. Fry the onion rings. Fry pepper rings in different colors. Third, combining the rice and the vegetables together. Put some cooking oil in the pot. Place the tomato slices on the bottom of the pot. Place the cooked and half-grilled chicken wings and thighs over the tomato layer. Place the fried potato slices on the meat layer and cover the gaps well. Place the fried pepper and onion rings over the potato layer. Place the fried eggplants, sliced. Add the rice and press the rice down with a spoon. Lastly, let everything simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. The word maqluba refers to the action of flipping over the pot or turning over the pot when you serve the dish. It's ready. Enjoy it.